LG 24-inch 100Hz monitor with AMD FreeSync. This is the model number 24MR400. This comes with a power adapter. User manual and HDMI cable inside. This is a power adapter, 19 voltage, 1.3 ampere, UK pin, and this is a big size pin, and user manual and HDMI cable. And this one is a middle stand. And this one is a bottom stand. This is a connectivity, HDMI port and VGA port, and this is a headphone, and here power adapter will go, DC in, and it has a wall mount option. This is the power button. Black color. So 3-side borderless design. So there is no screw, only clip type design. This is a middle stand with a strong material. Just you need to push inside. So that's it. So now we need to fix the bottom stand. This one also there is no screw. So there is a clip. This is a front side design. 100Hz 24-inch LG monitor. There is no height adjuster, only tilt model. This one only we can tilt. This is the back side design. Ventilations.